Understanding Last Day, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, last day. We're going to dive deep into its meaning, how it's used in different contexts, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in your own conversations. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is just for you. The phrase, last day, consists of two words, last and day. Last is an adjective that means the final in a series or coming at the end of something. Day, on the other hand, is a noun that refers to a period of 24 hours. When combined, last day refers to the final day in a particular sequence of days, whether it be a school term, a job, or any other event that spans over multiple days. 2.1 in education. In the educational context, last day could refer to the final day of school, a term, or a course. For example, I can't believe it's the last day of school already. This year flew by. 2.2 at work. In a professional setting, last day might refer to the final day of work at a particular job. Someone might say, "Today is my last day at the company. I'm starting a new job next week." 2.3 Personal events and activities. Last day can also refer to personal events and activities. For instance, if someone is on vacation, they might say, "This is our last day in Hawaii, so we want to make the most of it." While last day seems straightforward, it's important to use it in the correct context. Ensure that it's clear what event or period you're referring to. You might say, "Today is my last day of work," rather than just, "Today is my last day," to provide clarity. And there you have it, a thorough look at the phrase, last day. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and has given you confidence in using this phrase in your own conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use last day in your English speaking and writing where it fits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.